My name's Sven Maxa from Maxa Design in Blackburn, Victoria. We are specialists in energy efficient and more sustainable home design and renovations. We basically started as one-off man operation, being myself working from the spare bedroom, and then from there we managed to do some nice work and people appreciated what we were doing, and we slowly grew, and now we're an office of 4 to 8 people, fluctuating depending on the work that's on the books, and some are part-time, most are full-time. I was driven into sustainability and energy efficiency really through common sense and inspiration from some people who were leading the way 10 years ago. I think Passive House will be driven by a combination of builders, architects, designers, homeowners. We find predominantly at the moment it's being driven by designers and homeowners, and we therefore have to pursue that education route with the builder around building sealing and what's involved in that and the correct insulation, etc. We find that if we are doing a truly sustainable home, that the embodied energy of that home should be far less than your typical home, and to the point where it's easily accounted for clearly through the life cycle analysis. Our style of design that we pursue is always underpinned by trying to be more sustainable or more energy efficient, bring in more light and more ventilation, which are key parameters from most of our clients. So material choice and sustainability go hand in hand, of course. Being truly sustainable is using a material that is renewable and can be used over and over and over, and without sort of depletion of natural resources and our natural environment. Timber is a perfect example of that. We find a lot of information for materials on the internet. It's a great resource now. Our physical material library is slowly becoming less and less used. I must confess to using the Wood Solutions website fairly regularly. I find it a great resource for technical data, tips, advice, galleries, etc. It is a great resource, particularly also showing our clients some examples of how a particular material can be used when it comes to timbers, of course. The Wood Solutions tutorials and courses have been a great initiative. We've attended a working seminar series last year, I believe it was, in conjunction with the BDAV. So the Ask an Expert section to me is a perfect way to get a specific solution resolved on a particular design. I went there yesterday, believe it or not, and tried to obtain some information, and the guys are doing some research for us at the moment and coming back to us. Yeah, so I think Ask an Expert on the Wood Solutions site is a great tool for designers and homeowners, really.